do this. Okay, let me know, Joyce, if you can see my PowerPoint or my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Wala pa po,
All
Doc.
right. Wala pa. Okay. Uh, Probably lagging. It says screen broadcasting. I'll stop. I'll share my screen again. How about now? Can you see my screen now? Still nothing? Okay.
Meron na po, Doc.
Okay, what do you see? Okay. What do you see? Can someone tell me what you're seeing? Is
Yung
Randall
contact
there?
lens product po, performance.
Okay. Very good, very good. Okay. Okay. There you go. So, care and maintenance. If there's one thing about contact lens, you need to understand that you need to take care of your contact lens. That's why last time I shared Rika's case wherein after drying, they soak it again and then it turned into soft again. But whenever you do that, of course, it alters, as I've said the last time. I don't know if still remember, I said it alters the shape somehow. But probably not too obvious when it comes to visibly obvious, but for sure there are some changes that happen. Okay. So, care and maintenance purposes. Of course, you have to clean contact lens to prevent or minimize deposits. And every time you wear that, it's in contact with the eye, and the eye produces lipid and protein. That's why you would have deposits for sure. Okay. Now, also it maintains the hydration and the wettability to increase comfort and increase vision. Because the more wettable the contact lens is, the better the comfort. And disinfect contact lenses to prevent ocular infection. That's why one thing we understand about contact lens is not for everyone, especially for those who are not hygienic. If they are not going to take care of their contact lens, most likely they will have some complications like infections and inflammation. Now, complications, we have deposits. So, of course, it will increase irritations. Therefore, it will decrease the comfort. Therefore, it will decrease visual acuity. Therefore, it will decrease contact lens life. It will increase bacteria that is binding, which increases potential for infection and increases the incidence of what is CLPC? Do you know CLPC? What is GPC?
Doc, try ko
And
lang po yung
oh,
CLPC.
oh,
Yun po
okay.
ba yung contact lens induced
Very good.
optic conjunctivitis po?
Very good. Okay. And GPC?
Giant papillary po,
Very
conjunctivitis.
good. Very good. Very good. Very good, Joyce. You're getting points again, huh? All right. Very good. Um, Now, compliance, again, non-compliance. That's why I would always say before you administer contact lens, you might as well do your interview. If you see that the patient will be a good candidate, then push with the intervention of contact lens. But if you see that the patient will have problem, then might as well go for spectacles. Simple system, appropriate instructions, better compliance. If the patient is confused, non-compliant, therefore that would lead to some problems, aftermath. So again, care and maintenance, you need to clean every single time you use, before and after. That's why Joyce Randolph was looking for daily disposables. Why? So that you don't have to worry much about the cleaning, the rinsing, the disinfection that you need to do for bi-weeklies, the monthlies, in the conventional, because you really need to do that essential steps. When it comes to periodic protein removal, we have the daily cleaner against a weekly cleaner. You will learn that later on. We also have rewetting, which of course we want uh, for pervaporation, of course, the prevention. You want to rewet it or lubricate it, and to avoid, of course, shrinkage and dryness, of course, that would lead to dry eye. Because remember, the higher the water content, the more prone to pervaporation. The more prone to pervaporation, the more prone to look for wherever it can get the water from. And for us, that would be your tears. Just imagine. So if you're not following this regimen, you are most likely to have a problem eventually. That's why in contact lens, you really need to talk to the patient and instruct them well. Okay? From the essential steps to some additional steps. Like care and replacement of the case should be done. You should clean your case every day, meaning to say you have to throw that soaking solution also every day. So you cannot just soak it for a week, or it's as simple as that. If you don't clean your house, it's gonna be dirty, right? So as simple as that. Contact lens is the same thing. If you don't clean the container, your contact lens will be dirty, and that will create problem. So far, so good. Clear? Okay, so there's what you call lens spoilage. And then CL Care products, we have formulation, main solution component. We have a strong surfactant, a component to increase solution viscosity. You want it to be viscous because, like, especially you want it to maintain, right? Stay time of cleaner and lubricity of cleaner on contact lens. Solution preservative. One thing we understand about preservative, not all preservatives good. There are some preservatives that can be harmful, such as thimerosal. Benzalkonium chloride is actually not a good preservative when it comes to aftermath. Although, when it comes to bactericidal, yes, it does. It does kill bacteria. But then again, it alters the cells, okay? The tissue. That's why that's what you call adverse effect of your preservatives. That's why even with food, right? It's always best, even I know that, but I'm sometimes guilty, or most of the time guilty, especially when you're eating fast food, because you already know those are with preservatives. So it would be nice if you can have fine dining every day, or if you're uh, someone in the family is always cooking, that would be nice, right? So that's the best analogy I can think of. Fresh is always better. without preservative is always better. Same thing goes with the solutions, whether it be artificial tear or contact lens uh, cleaning solution, etc., etc. So far, so clear. Have any questions? Is Randall here? Randall,
Yes, Doc. I'm
there
here,
you
Doc.
go. I miss you, man. Cause at least I see you and I get to talk to you.
Uh,
There you go. That's one thing
I
I
miss
miss
you
when
too,
you were
Doc.
gone. Yes, yes, yes. Cause I can easily see you. I know that every time I call you, your cam is on, so I can see your reaction. I can see whether you understand or not. All right, moving on. So you also have formulation possible, such as alcohol to increase lipid solubility in water. We have the EDTA, your ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. We also have your A calcium chelating agent that also increase the mode of action of many common preservatives, a buffer system to control the pH, agents that increase or decrease osmolarity, and a mild abrasive, fine insoluble polymer that loosens or removes and here. It's just like whenever you do you wash your clothes, Randale?
Yes, Doc.
No. Wow,
Yes,
proud of
yes.
you. Proud of you. There are times even if me I only use washing machine, and then if not I send it to the cleaner. But once you get it, to be honest with you, I'm most of the time disappointed. You know why? It's not clean. If I have a stain, like after having it washed, they will send it back. I still see the stain. That's how, well, it's more on they just want probably some of the some of the dirt or maybe just the scent so that at least your shirt would smell good. And one thing I hate about it, Randale, is the scent that they put in all my clothes. And I have asthma. So I don't necessarily like what they do. They use this some kind of conditioner or scent that they spray, which makes me vomit because it's ew, not my thing. That's why, as much as possible, I just want simple soap. And then, if you want to be more particular with the conditioner, just go for the conditioner that you know. And I would tell them, stop spraying things. I don't know if you experience that. Do you know what I'm talking about, Randale?
Yes, Doc. Matapang masyado yung amoy.
Oh, you know that they're spraying something. You know why they spray something? To hide the foul, right? You get what I'm saying? There's a foul scent, maybe, just to hide it. They do that. And since I have, uh, you know, what's the essence of what I'm saying? It's similar to this mild abrasive because simple cleaning or fake cleaning is still not clean, right? You need to thoroughly clean for you to loosen or remove inherent contaminants. So there are things that even by you cleaning the contact lens, there are still some remnants, some oil that you cannot get rid of. And the only thing that can get rid of that are some mild abrasives or hydrogen peroxide in the form of your weekly cleaners like Progen, you have your Aosept, those are hydrogen peroxide. So they are most effective when truly cleaning the contact lens. But unfortunately, you cannot use that every day. Randall, what happens to your shirt if you use bleach every day? Do you know what's gonna happen?
Kuko pa sundok.
Correct. Ano pa?
Liliit.
Nope. Mabubutas na yun. Magiging brittle yung damit mo. Same with contact lens. So you cannot use it every day. It's clean naman, but then again, it would lessen the the lifespan of the contact lens. Are we clear? All right. So again, common preservatives in earlier GP and PMMA, we have the benzyl conium chloride, which I mentioned, right? So BAC is a quaternary ammonium compound, still used in some older lens care product. LCP is lens care product. Okay? Okay, you might want to write it down. Lens care product. So benzyl conium chloride is actually still in use, especially with some of the eye drops that we use, some of the artificial tears. That's why I strongly suggest before prescribing or giving your patient uh, a reference like maybe Systane or Santen, I strongly suggest you read the ingredients. Okay? Because it may contain some of those, well, that can create adverse effect. It does its job actually. It's just like that. It kills bacteria, but then again, it's changing the morphologic cell. Like the cell is also changing. So not necessarily good. Another thing is your thimerosal, also known as thimerosal. It is a mercury-based preservative. So because of that, regulatory environmental authorities regard mercury compounds as a pollutant. That's why we are trying to change as we have all the researches. So we know that it's working as a preservative, but then again, it also has some adverse effect, right? Randall, are we clear so far?
So, Doc, we should avoid cleaners with
Yes,
preservatives.
yes, correct. As much as possible. If it's possible, para ganito, 3-in-1 coffee, is it good?
No, Doc.
You
Too much
already
sugar.
know it's no. It's already a no. But then again, if there's no choice, mm, and if you really need to have coffee, might as well have yung not the 3-in-1, just the black coffee. Maybe if you really need to buy, because it's not even real, right? So good thing nowadays there's a lot of, you know, before it's a tea bag, now it's a coffee bag. So if you want really good coffee, you might want to do that. So the same thing with uh, contact lens, of course. All the cleaners, we need to understand there are some products, it's there, just like 3-in-1. It's for sale, it's available, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's good. Do you get what I'm saying, Randall? Not everything that you buy is good.
Doc, question.
Yes.
Kailan po magiging necessary yung paggamit ng may preservative?
Ah, because again, the reason why you use preservative, you know why? Because you want to prolong it. You want to use it for a long, long time. That's the only reason why you use preservative. And of course, because of, well, finance, it's all about finances. Since you cannot afford to spend every day or buying a non-preservative solution, which is more expensive, which you have to use and then dispose. Sometimes, you have to save up. They came up with preservatives, solutions with preservatives, so that just like, you know, hot dog, ham, bacon, or all the other food, it has preservative. You already know it's bad, but why is it available? You know why? Because people cannot afford fresh food. It's so expensive. Don't you know it's a lot cheaper to buy canned goods over fresh foods? But in the province, everything is just there, right? Like, it's supposed to be freely given to us by the creation, right? But then again, you would notice to be healthy nowadays is even more expensive. You get what I'm saying? So that's what preservatives are for prolonging. They prolong that particular product, such as eye drops, so that you can use it for a long time. But if your patient is sensitive, I strongly suggest you use non preservatives, which is relatively expensive, but you already know it's gonna work far better than the one with preservatives. Although what they say with preservatives, it's what you call it evaporates, or as soon as it leaves the container, it evaporates. Do you understand what I'm saying? If it's in the container, it's active. But as soon as you use it and drop those solution, it evaporates right away. So as they say, it's not as harmful. But then again, of course, we already know that. I mean, there's no denying. Like hot dog, no matter what they put it, it's the most expensive hot dog. But if it has preservatives, it's still not good. Correct? I mean, you can say whatever, but I already know that canned goods is not going to be good. Correct? Even though spam is yummy. Ooh, yeah. But not good, man. Not good. I feel guilty. It's, that's my comfort food whenever I'm rushing. Spam is my thing. I love it. Okay. Are we clear? Any more questions? Randale, no more questions?
Si Joyce po meron.
Oh, what's the question? What
Dok,
is your
hindi po ako
question?
magtatanong, pero may i-share lang po ako about dun
Okay.
sa Jaime
Sige.
Rosal po.
Oh,
Fun
oh,
fact
go, go,
lang
go.
po. Para
Uy,
po
I
sa
like
mga
that.
hindi nakakaalam, hindi natandaan ko lang po kasi yung lesson ko po sa Okyo Pharma before po.
Uy, very
Na-share
good,
din po
very
kasi
good.
po sa amin to. Yung Jaime Rosal po, para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam is yung Mertiolet. Yung gamot na pula po na nilalagay sa after magpa-manicure or pedicure or foot spa. Familiar po ba kayo?
Wow! Oh,
So, ayun po
wow!
siya. 'Di ba para siyang antiseptic po siya sa
Aha,
ano lang po, sa surface ng skin lang po. So,
aha.
ang ginagawa po niya is to inhibit po yung growth ng bacteria and fungi. Okay po
Mm,
sana po siya sa contact lens solution, kaso po ang effect naman po niya, since toxic po ito dahil,
correct,
it
Mercury.
contains mercury, at the same time
Mm,
nire-reduce po niya yung, corneal sensitivity, kaya po pinaalis po siya.
there you
Yun lang
go.
po.
Wow, thank you, Joyce. Sama ko kaya sa quiz yan. Very good, Joyce, ha? Talagang you're earning your points, ha? Okay, for that, a whopping extra points for you. Thank you. Ayan, guys. If you want to have extra points, all you gotta do is recite. You already know that. Thank you, Joyce. Thank you. Appreciate it a lot. You know, I appreciate this class so much. I'm telling you. There's a lot of sharing. Yeah. Coming from Joyce. and and Randall. And Zach. And yes. Okay, moving on. So you also have preservative required if cleaner is not self-preserving. Bigonide for soft contact lens, which is a polymeric bigonide. A polyhexanide. Used molecular size decreases the ability to penetrate lens matrix, usually with EDTA and borate. You would notice actually, if you are familiar with all the lens solutions, you would come across all of these. Borate, you know, um, and a lot more, like the back. actually you still see benzalkonium chloride. If you just look, you will see it. Oh my gosh, it has benzalkonium chloride. And they would say, small amount lang naman. Oh, di ba? Okay. Antifungal efficacy. Yan, kasi nagagawa niya. Parang sabi nga ni Joyce, maganda naman. Kasi di ba, antiseptic, antibacterial, bactericidal. Good naman siya, di ba? Yun lang eh. Nagka-create kasi ng adverse effect. Okay? So, like this one, the quaternary ammonium compound, most common is your polyquaternium. We have the sorbic acid has been used but uncommon now. From the word mercury. Alam mo, back in the days, yung mga dentists, they use amalgam. Mercury, no? But they stopped it na rin. Joyce, are you aware? Nakita ka ba ng mga yung ipin, may black?
Dati po sa clinic po ni ate ko, Dok, nung bata po ako, may nakita po akong vial na may parang lamang silver. Pinaglalaroan ko yung po
Correct.
pala yung mercury.
Yes, correct. When I was studying dentistry, we were still using mercury. Grabe, no? But now, light cure na. Ayan. Kaya ngayon, wala na kang makikitang itim. Puti na lahat. Kahit sa posterior. Before, anterior lang. Pag sa anterior, kailangan talaga puti. Pero sa back, sa molar, pwede na yung amalgam feeling. Pero they stopped it also. Kasi nga, they've learned. Although, yun nga yung mga learnings kasi, no, parang na-notice nila, ay, hindi pala siya maganda. So, which is good na continuous yung research. Correct? So, they stopped it. So, what did you do with that? Diba? Hindi, kung ininom mo yun, naku po, ang sarap pa ng paglaruan nun, no? Parang,
Opo, Dok, parang magic po. Kahit hiwain
magic.
ko po bumabalik po ulit sa dati.
Diba? Oh, I know that. My gosh, yan talaga. Kaya, general patronage is always essential. Dapat laging pag may bata, i-skip safe mo yung mga things like that. Baka mainom nila eh. Or alam pa naman bata, mahilig mag-put sa mouth ng kung ano-ano. Okay. Surfactant, which is an active agent, wetting agent that decreases surface tension, lowers the interfacial tension between the two entities. Example, yun yung lens care product natin and contact lens. Some organic compounds are amphiphilic. Ayan, kung merong amphibian, ito amphiphilic, have hydrophobic groups. Hydrophobic does not like water, di ba? Hydrophilic, water-loving, di ba? Yan. So these compounds are soluble in both organic solvents as well as water. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So surfactant cleaners functions is to remove deposits by interacting with or modifying contact lens deposits. Displacing deposits from the contact lens surface. You know why? Joyce, kasi kung ikaw nga pag gumising ka, di ba? Pag gising mo, merong muta.
Muta.
Yes. Di ba? Wala ka pang tinusot na contact lens eh. Di ba? O, isipin mo na lang. Yan yung mga wear and tear natin. So, nag-create talaga yan ng deposit. So, pag nag-contact lens ka, didikit lang talaga yan. So, kailangan yung material mo, dapat naiintindihan mo, plus yung cleaning. Kasi nga, since wala ka naman magagawa, bakit? Stop mo yung protein? Hindi din pwede. Di ba, Randall? Itigil mo yung protein sa katawan mo? You need it, di ba? Byproduct yan eh. Pag sinabi mong pwede bang hindi na umihi? Hindi pwede, Randall. Di ba? Hindi pwede bang hindi pawisan? Kaya nga, guys, another fun fact. Joyce, di ba yung mga I've heard lang yung which I am guilty also. I use spray. So yung body spray, 'di ba? Antiperspirant para wag kang magpawis. Actually, it's not good kasi you're hindering a good process. To sweat is good. Unfortunately lang, 'di ba? Kasi hano na tayo ngayon eh. Social na tayo ngayon eh. We don't want to smell bad. But you know, the ancient people, they all smell. Do you understand? Like if you go back, way, way back, the caveman, I'm sure they all smell. Di ba? You get what I'm saying? But they don't mind. Kasi lahat naman sila ganun ang amoy. But now, we cannot be like that. Kasi medyo social being na tayo ngayon eh. Correct? Or social being na. Tama ba yun, Randall? We cannot afford to smell. Di ba? Kahit maligo ka eh. Pag hindi ka naglagay ng antiperspirant or deodorant, talagang may lalabas na lalabas eh. Correct? It's because of the food that we eat. It's a byproduct. Unfortunately, we try to stop it. So, it's not always good. Okay? Does that make sense? Fun fact lang, fun fact, di ba? Kaya yun din si deposit. Alam mo, itigil mo yung deposits. Hindi mo pwede din gawin. Kasi byproduct yan ng katawan mo. Alright? Emulsify oils. May oil din tayo. Sa tier layer nga lang, meron ng oil eh. Di ba? May oil siya eh. Kasi important yung oil. Di ba? It prevents evaporation and spillage. Tapos tanggalin mo yung oil. Di dry eye ka kagad. You get what I'm saying? In contact sa yung contact lens sa tears mo, di ba? Talagang magkakaroon ng oil yan. And lipid, correct? Kasi may lipid layer nga eh. Pati nga yung eyelashes mo, dapat nga oily. Right? Kasi may sebaceous gland ka. Alam mo yan. But then again, of course, yun ang sinasabi natin. With all creations or discoveries, sometimes, parang ito, as I've said, yesterday I was doing my environmental occupational, what do you call that subject? Occupational optometry or environmental occupational. Di ba? The creation of technology is good, but it's also bad. Correct? Do you understand that? Why? Now we have cell phones. Sino mo lahat ng tao ngayon? May accommodative problem. Alam mo bakit? Excessive near work. Number 2, lahat may dry eye. Kaya sa clinic nyo guys, lahat na nagsa-cellphone, sabi mo, ikaw ba may cellphone? Dry eye ka. Bakit? Ilang oras nagsa-cellphone ng mga tao ngayon? Ang tagal. Am I right? So for sure, may dry eye na kagad. Although it's good, di ba? Technology is good. But then again, it creates problem also. Does that make sense? Parang si contact lens, it's good naman. But then again, there are things that you have to understand so that you don't create complications. So we need surfactant cleaners to destroy or dislodge microorganism, prepare lens for rinsing and disinfection, increase the wettability of contact lens. Lens care products, we have poloxamines or the Tetronic. The Tetronic. Yan. We have Alcon, di ba? Si Optifree. You're familiar kay Optifree? Product natin, product yan sa mga clinic. Yan. Poloxamers. Yan. Isopropyl. Yan. Malamang kilala mo na yan si isopropyl. Di ba? Ikaw, Randall, do you know that? Isopropyl alcohol?
Yes, Doc.
Kilala natin yan. Tyloxac-Pol. Yan. Moisture Plus. Yan mga brand na iba, wala tayo. Yan. Ciba Vision. Yan yung mga brands back in the days until now meron naman. Surfactant cleaners types. We have daily cleaner and the periodic cleaner. Anong difference? Yung isa, pwede mong gamitin araw-araw. So, clean ka araw-araw. Pero hindi ka pwedeng forever hydrogen peroxide. Yan. Kaya nga sabi ko, yung daily mo, mild lang yan. Hindi yan pwedeng may hydrogen peroxide. Kasi pag ang ginawa mong daily ang hydrogen peroxide, malamang-lamang masisira ang contact lens mo. Correct? Yan. So, yun ang difference ni daily cleaner and periodic. Periodic, from the word, pag may periodic lang. Tama ba? Tama ba, Randall? Does that make sense?
Makes sense, Doc.
Oh, di ba? Yan talaga, life logic lang yan eh. Alright, nice to have you back talaga. Alright, now, surfactant cleaner in the current market, there's a lot. Di ba? Especially now, MPS. Ano yung MPS? Multi-purpose. Yan ang comparison kay 3-in-1. Lahat nandun na. Di ba? Ang problema, sa tingin mo, never mind. But yeah, sige. Ano na, real talk lang. Okay ba ang 3-in-1?
Hindi, Doc. Hindi
Oh,
yan.
alam na this. Oh, wag na tayo mag-usap. Alam na natin. Alam na this. Alam na natin yan. Correct? So, but of course, we live in a fast pace na kasi. Di ba? Lahat tayo nagmamadali. So, kung matagal yung regimen mo, meron ka pang cleaner, meron ka pang soaking, tapos meron ka pang lubricant, tapos meron ka pang rinsing, ang dami mong regimen, di ba? Pero actually, yun ang mas effective. Parang ako lang. Hindi ako sabi ng doctor ko, ayoko mang i-drop. Yung vitamins na meron lahat, wag daw ako maganon. Yan. Kasi, I need to have yung concentration na I have vitamin E, I take vitamin B complex, I have vitamin C on a separate, hindi sama-sama. Kaya ang dami kung medicine and medicine lang, parang ang dami kong iniinom na tablet. Pero effective kasi 'yon. Correct? Kaya pag
Mas better, Doc, yung galing sa Whole Foods.
mas maganda nga kung nature. Ang problema yung nature, ano na rin, polluted na rin eh. Kaya sabi nga nila, ano ba talaga? Parang wala na, ayaw ko na. Sinisiraan yung organic. Tapos mahal pang organic. Adi wala na. Ano na lang? Reality bites. Maging contractor na lang ako. Ay, ang layo naman ang sagot ko. Ikaw talaga, Randall. Okay, let's go. So solution excipients play supporting role. Such roles include increase or decrease solutions for pH, for the tonicity or viscosity. Yan. Also, increase efficacy of the main active component. Kaya nga manonotice mo. For example, ilalaglag ko ng isang product. May isang product, ang daming ingredients. Di ba? Why ang dami niyang ingredients? Kasi it also helps together with different ingredients. Yan ang mga excipients, mga supporting character, 'di ba? Kaya walang solution na isa lang. Kaya pag tumingin ka, basahin mo yung ingredients, ang daming laman, Randall, no? So hindi lang ano lang to, ganun lang, hindi, marami siyang ingredients. Okay, because it helps. Sometimes you need, sabi nga nila vitamin C daw won't work unless meron kang zinc. Narinig mo na yon? Yan. Randall, di ba, inom ka ng vitamin C? Pero pag wala kang zinc, hindi daw gumagana. Kailangan gamitan mo ng zinc para vitamin C with zinc. Yan, parang gano'n. Okay. Gotcha. All right. Common is the sodium chloride, which is sea salt, EDTA and derivatives, HPMC, or the hydroxy propyl methyl cellulose. Yan, marami yan. Yan ang lahat ng artificial tear. Kaya yung artificial tear, lahat ng brand, may kita mo pangalan, hydroxy propyl methyl cellulose. Correct? Correct ba? Correct? Familiar ka ba? Yan. hydroxyethyl cellulose, sodium phosphate. We have your monobasic and the dibasic. So isa lang at isang dalawa. Sodium lauroampho-diacetate. Wow. Si lauroampho-diacetate and cocoampho-diacetate. We have also poloxamers and the PVA, which is polyvinyl alcohol. Yan. Tyloxapol and alkyl ether sulfate. Daming names, no? Sige, kaya natin yan. Sodium chloride. Lalong-lalo sa board exam, naku pa, may memorize sa inyo lahat yan sa sa Pharmacolab. Ano ba yun? Anong subject mo yung pharma? Ocular pharma? Ano pa ang pharma nyo?
Ocular pharmacology.
At saka ano pa? Isa lang? General pharmacology.
Dalawa po.
Ayun. Oh. Kaya ang daming memorization yan. So, handa-handa na tayo sa board exam. Yan, si boric at saka si borate. Kitang-kita natin lagi yan sa mga artificial tears. Yan. Sodium citrate, citric acid, poloxamers, PPG, propylene glycol, yan, nakita natin yung mga ingredients, lalong-lalo na kung bumibili ka ng mga contact lens solutions, even the contact lens itself. Kasi sinusoak yan. Hydroxyalkyl or alkyl phosphonate and sodium how do you read this? Sodium OH. If there's sodium OH or may sagot dyan, pare. Napanood ko na yan eh.
Doc, hydroxide po.
Ha? NaOH.
Sodium hydroxide po ba, Doc?
Sodium hydroxide. Ah? Galing ni Joyce, ah. Sodium hydroxide. Okay? Time check. 7:25 na. Ang dami pa natin aaralin. Sige, i-end na natin dito sa may drawing para at least meron tayo. Of course, this is good to know. Some of the additional data can be found. Kasi importante lahat ng... Kaya nga, di ba, pag yung container mo walang nakasulat, naku, matakot ka na. Di ba, Joyce? Saan kayo nanggaling to? Ano kaya laman nito? Kaya dapat lahat yan pwede mong i-google. Parang ginawa ko ngayon. Ginoogle ko siya. Para pag ano yun? Kahit hindi mo siya alam, i-google mo, lalabas. Yung pala. You can easily research. Tama, Joyce?
Yes po, Doc. Tama po.
Yan.
Galing pala kila Zach, Doc.
Galing ka na, Zach? Yan. Very good. Yan. Chelating agents, of course, component that acts. Pag sinabing synergist, kakampi. Tama ba? Tama ba? Synergist, kakampi. Okay. Antagonist, kalaban. Tama ba? Okay. Buti na lang may konti akong nare-remember, no? Kahit wala na akong memory. May memory gap na ako. Oh my gosh, Randall. Kaya minamak ako ng klase mo eh. Yeah, okay lang. Yan talaga buhay. Nag-usap nga kami nung yung faculty dun sa MOA, sa NU. Sabi ko, "Oh, how are you?" Sabi niya, "Ito, hindi na ako nagtuturo." Sabi ko, "Why?" Naano ako sa mga, hindi ko kinaya ang mga students. Sabi ko, "Good luck sa'yo." Talaga, na-good luck siya. Nag-retire na maaga. Hindi kinaya. Akala niya madali magturo. No, hindi. But that's life. Kaya natin to. Tama ba? Randale, kaya natin.
Oo, Doc. Huwag mo kami iiwan.
Yan, no? Sige. Oo. You can only talk for yourself. Okay, wag mo sila isama. Ikaw lang yan. Ako, sabi mo lang, wag mo akong iwan. Yan. Don't include the others. Not everyone feels the same way. Ikaw talaga. But yes. Okay. As long as you need me, I'll be there. Wow. Ayos ba yun? Alright. Parang song, no? Yan. So let's end with this. Si EDTA. Si ethylene diamine tetraacetate acid in a majority of multipurpose. Kasi yan ang lagi sa multipurpose solution. Gamit na gamit si EDTA. Yan. Meron kang cationic. Sabi ni iba, cationic. Paano ba pinopronounce to? Cationic or cationic? Super cationic. Ikaw, ano pronunciation mo dito? Randall, cationic?
Cationic.
Ayos, di ba? Chelating agent that binds free materials and increase disinfectants, antimicrobial. Yan. So effective yan. And then, you have your calcium, magnesium that compete with positive. Ayan. Ganyan pagbabasa kita mo, use your logic lang. May plus, tapos may if. Eh di positive. Tama ba? Ano pa? Paano mo babasahin yan? Randall, anong basa niyan? Compete with plus VE. Ano yan?
Positive, Doc.
Positive. Oh, positive yan. Positive charge preservatives, molecules. Kaya, di ba, minsan, yung iba madali kong mag-grasp sa utak. Yung iba, pag hindi, research mo. Di ba? Ganyan naman talaga. Hindi mo naman talaga malalaman everything. Di ba? May limit ka rin. So, that's why you have research. Okay, and I stop with this. Okay? O, ito ang last natin Si chelating agents in lens care products. Okay. So, good night. Thank you very much. Grabe talaga. Kayanin natin to. Kaya ko to.